I've had a MacBook Pro for the last 7-8 years. It was a 2014 MacBook Pro 15 inches with 8 gigs RAM and 256 SSD. I've had a blast using my old MacBook Pro. So this is my old MacBook Pro, my best buddy, my best companion. I've done so many hackathons using this MacBook Pro. You see so many stickers from all these hackathons and stuff. So lately I haven't been able to use my MacBook because of low RAM. I initially purchased it keeping development in mind, coding and doing all kinds of hackathon related activities. It can still function the way it was functioning before. The only disadvantage is I cannot do any kind of photo editing, video editing as such in my old Mac. And that's the reason why I wanted to have a new computer. I didn't want to switch to a Windows machine. I've been doing a lot of research in terms of what is the best upgrade for the MacBook Pro. Obviously, they're ridiculously expensive. Probably 6 to 7 months, I'm constantly looking out for videos on the performances of different types of MacBook Pros, 14 inches, 16 inches, especially with the M1 Apple Silicon chips. I finally made my decision. So yesterday I was able to get my new MacBook Pro. This is a 14-inch MacBook Pro with 1 terabyte SSD and 16 gigs of RAM with M1 Pro. Let me unbox it and see what are all the things that this MacBook Pro is equipped with. Apple is really cool in terms of the boxes that they package these devices with. One disadvantage that I found right off the bat from this new MacBook design, so these are really bulky, and if you have seen older Macs, my old Mac, which is from 2014, is seriously awesome because of the way how it was built. I don't know, for some reason these new Macs are really bulky. When I say bulky, they are really bulky, and from a weight perspective, it is also little heavier than my 15-inch MacBook Pro. So I have this. Before even checking, let me see what I have inside the box. So I have a cable. Looks like I don't have the brick. Yeah, I do have the brick. I have a manual here. I don't know what comes in these manuals these days. I remember there used to be a couple of Apple stickers. There you go. I have a couple of Apple stickers here. I'm not really worried about the manual, so let me go ahead and start it. Turn it on. That is sweet.